with us, man, on the ones and twos. Keeping it real, keeping it real, keeping it live, keeping it hot. You know what I'm saying? I'm going crazy, but, you know, I'm losing my breath and shit. But anyway, that was King. Leaning hard, you know what I'm saying? That's another one that we got to come to KJ promo, you know what I mean? And that's going to be great.
I'm gonna bring them in this month, man. I'm gonna bring them in live on the set and let them do their thing, man. We can learn a little bit the ins and outs of HOUFOs and see what it's all about. Nothing to lose, man. Got nothing but mad props for y'all, man. Y'all are doing your thing. We got y'all here in the H, man.
Hey, y'all keep on doing your thing, though. Everybody doing it out there, you know, putting their music out there. Make sure y'all do this shit.
And keep on doing it, man. She been doing this shit. She's been doing this shit for a minute, man.
Never give up, baby.
We need to drop that last track, man.
Yeah, I got you.
Man, I'm not going to say it because y'all just going to make fun of me.
Y'all
don't hurt my heart.
I said real grinder.
Real grinder.
Real grinder.
Real grinder. Bye. GetHerDone.com. Man, let's drop that shit. At GMC Radio, it's your girl SexyG. Live on the back. It's gonna play without skipping?
Yes, sir. I got something.
He's got pink eye. Oh, damn it, he covered it.
Clear eyes.
Fuck Cha-Cha.
You ain't lying? You ain't can't get us to no cup. I'm leaving.
I'm leaving, food.
That's a gold cup.
Oh, you player.
Player? You player?
You're a player.
You have a really I said, I'll fucking get about that. So, hold on.
Player.com. Enter.
Hey.
Was I can? My information on them?
Good, I brought you my posters. This motherfucker's going on the wall.
Fuck yeah, it's going right here under this right here.
Already. Everybody's doing right here. Sex gangster. Ooh, stupid. That.
Turn this phone.
How many camera? This is a behind the scenes interview. What he did? Crazy. I hope not. Oh, that's my man. Man, damn it, he left already. But he'll be back right now.
Look at that chick. But the law is his wife's computer. And then it doesn't work. Tell his wife to get off with her boyfriend so he can log on. Put that on YouTube.
It's going on YouTube.
www.catersandpasadena.com. Enter. You're tripping, bro.
Talking about
You gonna give out your address and shit? It's not like I said her last name or anything.
Cause I'm a real grinder. But I'ma keep on shining. Cause I'm a real grinder. But I'ma keep on shining. People keep on talking, he will break me up in tears. Cause they will not leave me waiting. I was telling that a rap. They told me I'm a female lady, you will never last. But I will prove them wrong. I show them what I got. I do what I do. Man, this lady's real strong. I don't give a fuck. I'ma do my thing. Hate me or love me when you see me in the street. Rolling up a blunt, escribiendo esta canción dedicada para los que no me creen que es mi pasión. La música en mi sangre nunca más la dejaré. You can try to put me down or tell me I ain't shit. I'ma keep on shining till I reach the end. I'ma keep on shining. Fuck you, yes I can. Well, this is my music and I will never leave it. Better believe it, cause I will never quit it. Watching up about that. Cause I'm a real grinder.
I'm gonna do that.
But I'm a
Grinder.
Yeah.
Woo!
Real grinder right there.
What you know about that? What you know about that? Hey, I'm a real grinder though. Yeah.
Sound like you get ready already.
Crush that hoe.
Yeah.
I'ma crush that hoe.
So, man, you got a little something you want to talk about?
Man,